Hi, I'm Dustin Bainbridge from Horizon Education, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I wanted to take a moment to walk through what we have in place currently in the current infrastructure of our organization. As many states are adapting the SAT or ACT as its state summative assessment, one of the things that we're seeing with teachers and administrators across the entire United States is how are we really gauging student success on these formative assessments and really helping determine learning loss as students are getting ready to take these assessments. So we've built suites of assessments designed around these secondary summative assessments, which are, as you can see, formative assessments that are directly aligned to what state level test students are going to take. Even more important, what we're able to do throughout this is give that student experience. So we have an assessment player where students log in from their Chromebook, from their tablet, whatever device they're utilizing, to take a realistic assessment, and teachers can get back immediate data. So students have access to this. They have the ability to really see what an online assessment feels like. In addition to that, teachers can get back immediate data, and that's the biggest thing as we're looking through this is our assessments, our formative assessments that teachers provide to their students, provide results within a matter of seconds. Typically, summative assessments in the SAT, ACT world take about 2 to 3 months to get the results back. Ours are in a matter of seconds. And the design of what we're doing is we have the assessment suites, the platform to engage and collect as much data as we can get on these students that are directly aligned to state and college readiness standards. So we don't have to really gauge year to year with summative reports. We can really make an impact now with what's happening here within our current infrastructure of our system here. Now the challenge becomes is, in addition to the formative assessments, we have a whole curriculum suite of 200 plus hours that are both college readiness supportive as well as content supportive around SAT, ACT, as well as a myriad of other content remediation parts that students are working with. But the challenge becomes is, once a student takes one of our formative assessments, they then get instantaneous results back. We then have all of this curriculum, and it really comes down to us working with the teaching staff to figure out what pieces of curriculum each individual student needs, and that takes hours upon hours. And right now, students and teachers need support now. And so with this SBIR funding, we're going to be able to build out an intelligent assessment system that takes the formative assessment results, able to correlate and triangulate a myriad of data points, and pull in different curricular pieces that the student can work on that's obviously facilitated by the teacher. And so it cuts out all of that labor-intensive time on being able to build supports for teachers. In addition to that, we're going to have the ability to really shorten those formative assessments. The formative assessments that we mirror are anywhere between 2 to 3 hours because we model it after the actual test, actual summative assessment. So if we can take a 3-hour test and over time take that student's progression shorter and shorter and take, say, a 30-minute assessment on just the needs of what that student is having some deficiencies in, then we're going to be able to reshape the formative assessment playing field so it doesn't become a labor-intensive product. And plus, through AI, we're going to be able to correlate and triangulate data points that's going to be able to pull curriculum in, and we're truly going to be able to reshape what's happening in the classroom right now and making teachers' lives a lot easier and students feel more supported. Thank you.